Dethleffs Eurostyle T7057 EBL. I think it's a good price at 60k.
Yep, it's a 4-berth motorhome. It does have the 4 seats as well, which we shall have a look at in a second. Starting at the rear.
Nice garage.
We do have a nice big garage with lighting and 2 40-volt sockets as well.
Good size.
Yes.
What's the weight of this?
Well, what would you like it to be? 3650 or 3500, whichever way you want to do it.
36.
You can have it plated at either. Right, let me explain that to you. I'll give you a brochure got all of it in it. So if you look on here, the payload is 474.
We've got a payload of 474 kilograms.
And that's when it's plated at 3,650.
Yep.
You've got 474 kilos that you can put into it. But the empty weight, which is called the mass in running order, already allows for a driver at 85 kilos,
Yep.
90% full fuel tank, 20 litres of water, a gas bottle and a mains lead. So those things are included in your, what nominally you would call the empty weight. So that 474 payload is for your passengers and your champagne and beans.
Not bad. Human efficiency?
Yep.
Human efficiency. Shall we go have a look inside?
But if you're old and you're limited to drive, once you get to 70, you can only drive 3.5 tons unless you have a medical. So it can be down plated to that, and that then gives you a bit less payload, but at least you don't have to sell the vehicle.
Or get a medical.
Or pass the medical, yeah. But that's what people worry about.
Shall we have a look inside?
The particular one has got a drop-down bed in the top there, and that's the reason we've upgraded it from 3.5 to 3.650, because the drop-down bed weighs about 100 kilos.
Ah.
So you can have it without that. And most people, 2/3 of people will order it without that because they don't want to take grandchildren.
It's bright, it's airy.
Yes, and it has the twin beds above the garage. This does have the filling cushion.
So you have got the option of making up the double, haven't you?
Big double bed as well. Nice.
And it is coming with satellite dish on the roof.
Is that
TV,
comes with it?
It's all in this packed price. TV, reversing camera, sat nav, alloy wheels, silver cab, awning. So all that stuff.
Is this all a standard or?
Yep.
All the standard.
Right.
I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I've got a new friend.
This is a special made for us with Dethleffs' biggest UK dealer, and this is made for us as a special, so we get it packaged with all the bits that people normally want, so that you don't then have to start adding on a whole load of extras.
Not a bad idea, is it?
Yep.
Because rather than coming to the show and you've got your standard price and then you're being upsold, you're getting everything all in one.
Yep.
German efficiency.
Yep. German efficiency and UK marketing. Because German philosophy, you go and buy a BMW or a Mercedes, you'll have a list of extras as long as you're on. And that is the German way, because they like a low headline price. But what we're doing with this is packaging it so that people aren't having to add on all the extras, it's all included in it.
Yeah, but that's always been my bugbear, to be honest, because you've got this base price, and then by the time you've added everything else on, 10, 15,000 along the line.
Yeah, and in fact we've got a Heimer on the stand there where I think the starting price is 100,000, and with all the bits on it it's 130.
Yeah, I think that's what people don't take into account either as well. Yeah. So at the front we have the drop down bed. Is it electric, Shane?
It's electric.
Electric. Yeah.
It is for adults.
Yeah. It is optional. So
kids.
Personally, if I was buying one, I prefer the drop down bed for the versatility.
We haven't really got a kitchen for a 6-berth. We have. Is it a 6-berth?
It's a 4-berth.
For a 4-berth, we haven't really got a kitchen. It's compact, especially for the size of the vehicle, and for 4 people.
The thing that we do have, we have the 3-point seat belts at the front still.
Yeah.
So it does sleep and seat 4, which is what we want.
That's what we're for. Now, Dethleffs, why am I only getting one? Did you forget to put the controls in, and as an afterthought, just put it there?
Yeah.
I'm only getting one. Where's me 3?
Yeah, sure.
Where's the 3 to go across? That I don't get.
Little bugbear for you.
Yeah. Especially Dethleffs are such a great company.
Yeah.
They're a great van. They're a great company. It's a great van.
Yes. I mean, just to finish off in the middle as well, just in front of the lounge, there is a partitioning door here to separate the bedroom. We have a separate shower on one side. Quite a tight unit. You can't really move around too much, but it does its job. And then onto the other side, which is the bathroom with sink and toilet. I think that's big enough for what we need. And there's a mirror on the back of the door as well.
And you can have a compartment, you can slide this one across.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this is where Dethleffs come into their own here. It's only a small point, Shane, but just come and have a look at this. Light in the handle.
Yeah, nice little touch.
Little touch.
Something that you don't notice, but it brings the whole vehicle
Yeah.
into a different level. Very good.